Tek Stadium, the reason we like it is because it has brought together all these innovative companies, solutions, under one roof. And people coming in here, they're visiting our neighbors, they stop by with us, and vice versa. So this is a good, a converging point for innovative, smaller solution providers.
Tek Stadium gave us a great opportunity because we have a natural symbiotic relationship with CableLabs. CableLabs looking at the forward-looking products maybe 5-10 years down the road. And then we actually receive many of those products to actually implement into the cable industry. So we're really where the rubber meets the road as far as that goes. And so it's actually very important for us to be co-located with CableLabs because that natural handoff and partnership with them to actually integrate those products and services and training to prepare the workforce for what's coming and what's next.
Tek Stadium is a very effective way to meet new trending technologies and also meet the existing customers, and this gives a very good platform for us to be well placed in the whole show and also have a good amount of traffic and interesting discussions.
Tek Stadium is a great place for us to showcase our products with the tours as well as other cable operators coming through. It gives us a lot of visibility at the show.
Oh, I think the variety of things that we get to see at Tek Stadium, whether it's talking about policy or technology, marketing, business, there's a good mix of a lot of healthy conversations that happen here. Having a booth at Tek Stadium helps us reach out to a lot of customers and prospects, but also just business partners, people that we work with, and have conversations about what's happening in the industry and how we can better serve our existing and future customers. So we appreciate the job that all the Tek Stadium crew does to put on a successful event for all of the partners here.
Tek Stadium's great. You get a great traffic flow as it goes by, as well as you get the CableLabs exposure. We get to come in here and see the CableLabs people that come through. You bring a lot of great tour groups through. We've had a lot of great conversations with some of the people in the tour groups. And quite frankly, it's part of the industry. This is the industry I'm in, that my division's in, and this is what we like to kind of show our wares in. And then this is a great format for doing that.
They do have the Cable Pioneers Dinner here. They have the Cable Hall of Fame here. Therefore, very, very influential people. Many of them come to the show, and therefore it's good for us to be here and show our presence to the industry.
I like Tek Stadium because it is kind of the hub of the INTX show, and there is great traffic both with potential customers and partners that we work with in the industry. It gives us great exposure at a time where there is much merger and acquisition taking place in the industry. It's a good place to be seen and a good venue for a small technology company to exhibit their products and capabilities.
Tek Stadium is a very handy place for us because it regroups other enterprises of the same type, and it brings us more people to the booth, actually. Also, it helps us to avoid having to bring in a lot of stuff that we would have to carry, so it's a very handy solution.
I like the location. I like the fact that we get a lot of people in. A lot of people are interested in new technologies, want to talk and see what you have to showcase.
We have been invited by JetEd, and it has been, I would say, a nice show because it's an opportunity to meet people where we don't have appointments, and for me and for the company to discover better the US market and to start with the first contact.
I love coming to Tek Stadium because it's a nice community of people. It's a relatively low-cost entry point to the show. The networking here is great, and I can show up with a very small suitcase of equipment and don't have to set up a booth.
So Tek Stadium is fantastic because the people are friendly. I mean, the support is great. The access to the prospective customers is on point. I mean, every time we've done a show with CableLabs, and it's probably been about 10 years now, we've always walked away really, really happy.